So I want to start with why you think 13 million barrels a day is a threshold we may never reach again in terms of U.S. oil production.
Well, it took tremendous amounts of capital to reach that 13 million barrels a day, grow 7 million barrels over the course of 10 years. It was great for the U.S. economy, great for the citizens of the U.S., but we have these steep declines in the shale profile. So when you pull back that investment, which we had to do as an industry in the face of negative oil pricing, you're going to see production come off. And that's what we've seen. It got down to 10 million barrels a day. And I just don't see it ever reclaiming that 13 million barrel a day threshold again.
Well, it's interesting because if you take it from the point of view of, hey, we want something that's great for the economy and great for the national interests, and now you're saying we might not have that again, but we do need a viable energy industry, and I guess you can't have it all.
That's right. So now we have to deliver on financial results, not just growth for the country's sake or growth for our industry's sake. So we're shifting both at Parsley and as an industry to deliver on ROCE, CROCE, fundamental drivers that make this industry a compelling investment compared to other industries.
Using some of the industry jargon there that investors are focused on, Matt. So using you guys as kind of a case study, tell me how much your production is down, how much you think it's going to realistically grow again, and how your investment plans are changing as a result.
Well, sure. Coming into this price war that we saw last quarter, we took 20% of our production proactively offline. We did not want to produce into a negative oil price environment. That has rebounded, so we're flat now, and we think we can keep our production at about 110,000 barrels of oil a day. And we foresee for the near term keeping it flat. When there's spare capacity of over 11 million barrels a day in the globe, we don't need extra barrels on the globe right now. But longer term, that could go into a mid to high single digit growth when that supply demand is needed again from the U.S.